Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Panaji all set for by-poll with 30 EVMs at polling stations. 22,000 voters to seal the fate of 4 candidates on Friday. Sada inmate allegedly flushes mobile used for plotting Nuve dacoity. Police to grill the suspected inmate, also to investigate jail officials. Robbers strike Bali Kepe, loot cash worth 15 lakhs, gold worth 3 lakhs robbed. Robbery near railway station while Naik family was out of station. Mutalik before High Court to lift ban from entering Goa, seeks compensation for breach of his fundamental rights. Court may hear plea next week. And Dr. Ramani's annual marathon race in Ponda on Sunday, prizes worth rupees 3 lakh on offer, over 1,000 participants expected. And now the news in detail. Panaji is all set to vote. EVMs reach their respective polling booths. Voting will commence at 8 a.m. It will go until 6 p.m. 4 candidates are in fray for the prestigious Panaji Assembly's seat has been vacated due to elevation of Manohar Parrikar as Defence Minister. 22,000 voters will choose a new MLA for Panaji after 2 decades of Parrikar. Verdict will be declared on Monday. Panaji is all set for by-poll on Friday. EVMs have been stationed at 30 polling booths across capital city. Polling will begin at 8 in the morning and 6 in the evening. BJP's Siddharth Kunkalenkar, Congress Party's Surendra Furtado, independent candidates Sadanand Vaigankar and Samir Kerekar are contesting the battle for Panaji. 20,000 Panaji cars will decide the fate of these candidates. Voters will have to carry their voter ID when coming for voting. In absence of voter's ID, voters may carry passport, driving license, ID proof of government or private employer, PAN card, Aadhaar card can be shown as proof of identity. Surendra Furtado could not control his sentiments before by-poll eve.
People have been living such miserable conditions with the growing girls having no place to have bath in the same 5 square meters room. They cook and they sleep. This is what our MLA and who was the 3-time Chief Minister gave to the people of Panjim. Think they are staying, make me cry. I appeal to the people of Panjim. Give me one chance. I am assuring you here that I will see that these people live in a better condition.
On the other side, Siddharth narrated the chart of Parrikar's developmental works.
म्हाका एक गोष्ट जाणवली की लोक सरकाराची जे पळय सरकारान दिलां रिसोर्सीस म्हणटू फायनान्शियल रिसोर्सीस म्हणटू जे कठिनाईन सरकारान मॅनेज केल्ले आनी तातूंत जी पळय स्किमी दिल्यो जे पळय प्रोजेक्ट चालू केल्या म्हाका दिसता एक हें मतदान ह्या सरकाराचेर विश्वास दाखोवपाचें आसतलें. पणजेचो डेव्हलपमेंट जो आसा हो सगळ्या समोर आसा. 4 लेनिंग DB रोड केला, पाटो ब्रिज केला, मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा. उदक तेन्ना आमी सदांच बालदे भरताले, आतां ती परिस्थिती उरूं ना. पणजेकारांक फेसिलिटी मेळ्ळ्या. पणजेकारां खातीर खुबशे भारतीय जनता पक्षान केलां. I am opposed to all conversions and reconversions.
Samir Kerekar claims that he enjoys support from Somnath Bharti of AAP. Bureau Report, Prudent. Anti-burglary cell of Goa police has learned that mobile phone used from Sada jail to hatch conspiracy of Nuve dacoity has been flushed out. Police is now gearing up to seek the custody of that inmate who allegedly flushed out the mobile phone. Role of Sada jail officials will also be investigated, who denied police team from entering jail premises to seize the mobile phone. Police had earlier arrested murder under trial Anil Boy for hatching the plot of robbery from jail.
Anti-burglary cell of Goa police investigating Nue dacoity case has now learned that mobile phone used by mastermind Anil Bhoye from Sada jail to hatch conspiracy has been destroyed and flushed out. Police has learned that one rape under trial and friend of mastermind Anil Bhoye has done the job of flushing out the mobile. Sources close to the investigation say that when the police team along with mastermind Anil Bhoye visited Sada jail for seizure of that phone, jail authorities did not allow them to enter into the jail. Police will also investigate the role of those jail officials. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Robbers have yet again struck Bali Cafe, posing a challenge to the cops. Robbers looted a house near Bali railway station on Wednesday. Owner claims that cash more than 15 lakhs and gold worth 3 lakhs is missing. The entire family was out of station when robbery took place. Moreover, it's surprising that families stack gold and hard cash in such huge amounts at homes despite series of strikes by the robbers.
In a major robbery at Bali Kukari on Wednesday, robbers looted cash of more than 15 lakhs and gold worth 3 lakhs rupees. Robbers struck a house of Hanuman Naik near Bali railway station. The incident occurred when the entire family was out of station for a religious function. The house owner claims that he had kept the money to start a new business.
Next March, we contract start March to March. So 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh 50. दोन apartment के पाल लो. Payment झाले Royal Momsa भी start कर पाल लो. 2 lakh 50. So तेकला रे payment cash अलमारी तोल ले. So कोणा कळे. So एमी एकेला. आणि मंगर आले मगे पहिले के मंगर आले. तेके means कितने necklace आले. मगे mask आले. मगे mask आले. मगे बावागे या आले. Chain आले. आणि मगे बावाजी के chain आले. आणि बघ्या सरबळ आले. ती बिन ना.
म्हणून आव ते थोडे म्हणजे 20,000 दोरलेले गोवा 50,000 दोरलेले माझ्या आरमारा आणि ते मोगे पैसे असलेले 200 रुपये ते बी काबार केले 10,000 रुपये असले ते
3 आरमार फोडल्या तुम्ही
3 आरमार फोडले आणि
किती
Robberies are unstoppable even when Goa police boast of heavy patrolling at night in the prone areas. Complaint has been lodged with the Kukari police station. Clueless Kukari police are investigating the case while the robbers are still at large. Savio Dice for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.